Hey everyone, welcome back to Solution Guides. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to stream Netflix on Discord without a black screen. First, launch Discord and the browser onto your account and also the Netflix, and ensure both applications are up to date for better performance. And then disable hardware acceleration in a browser. In Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge, click the three-dot menu into the top right corner and go to your settings. Our system. Turn off use hardware acceleration when available. By toggling the switch off, then restart the browser for changes to take effect. And then after that, in Discord, click the gear icon into the bottom and access user settings. And then turn off hardware acceleration and restart Discord to improve streaming visibility. Screen sharing in Discord, join a voice channel and then click share. Your screen is sharing. Choose the browser window when Netflix is running for a focused stream and then optimize for streaming. Select your preferred streaming quality with a resolution and frame rate, which is suitable for your internet connection. Note, high-quality streaming may require Discord Nitro avoid full screen mode on Netflix. Use a maximized window rather than full screen mode to prevent Netflix screen blocking features from activating. By implementing these adjustments, you can stream Netflix on Discord smoothly without countering the black screen issue. Enjoy seamless movie nights, and that's it. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you into the next one. Thank you for watching Solution Guides.